What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the spark plugs and wires on the 93 S10, and it's gonna be easy. It's really simple. You are going to need a 5/8 spark plug socket for this, and obviously the plugs and wires. I'll show you guys what the part numbers are, right? So for the wires, you guys, the part number here, it says 4043, and it comes with 7 wires in it. There's 6 of them for the spark plugs, and then there's this one short one, which I'll show you where that short one goes. And then you're gonna need 6 spark plugs. Here they are, CR43TS. Okay, it's very important that you do these wires one at a time because you don't want to mix up which one goes where. If you mix them up, that could be very bad for your motor. So one at a time so you don't mix them up. Disconnect one, know where the spark plug is, reconnect it, run it back down to the spark plug. Oh, back here is your distributor. This is where all your wires are going to connect, and as you can see, there's the short wire right here, which connects right here, which is your ignition pack, I think. I'm not 100% certain, but it does wire right around like so. And then your spark plugs go one here. Where is it? There's one here, and there's one up here. And then on this side, there's one right here, one back in here, which is going to be a bit of a pain to get to, but it's back in here. And the third one, I'll show you when we get to it. The third one is a little bit tougher, a little bit tricky to get to. It's way back in there. Okay, so if you see right here, here's your one, here's your second one right here, and your third one is back there. Now I'll show you guys how to get to all of these. That one is not going to be easy. It's not going to be fun to get to that one at all, but we will get to it. Okay, so we're going to start with the easy one right here. You just gotta give the wire a little bit of a tug. It should come out. So once you yank this out of the bottom down here, you're gonna follow it up and through to find out where it connects to the distributor. I already pulled the other end off right here. Now you're gonna go over to your new wires. You're gonna take your wire, lay it down like this, and you're gonna find a wire that's exactly the same length. That one's obviously too long, and there's only one other wire with this type of end on it, so it has to be this wire. Boom, it matches. Now you have the wire that goes to it. Set it over here so you know where it is. Grab your 5/8 socket, and you're gonna back out your you're gonna go in and you're gonna back out your spark plug out of your hole in there. Now once you break it loose, you should be able to twist this by hand to get your spark plug out, like so. And then your spark plug will come. These ones are not too bad. They're not terrible. It's a little bit old, a little bit corroded. We're gonna put the new one in. See the difference? This one's actually a little bit longer. That's odd. So different type, slightly different type spark plug going in. And take your spark plug. You're gonna go down in here like so. It should line back up with the hole. Okay, so once you get your spark plug in there, pull this out. This is what it'll look like in there. Brand new in the hole. Now you take your wire, like so. This part goes on your spark plug, and the other side goes to your distributor. So you just go like this. Make sure it's good and in there, like so. Make sure it's on there. Okay, and then you're gonna run your other wire. I'd say probably underneath here, like so, and back up to your distributor. And it'll pop down like so, back on top of your distributor. And then you move on to the next one. I'd recommend doing this short one right here, because this one only goes to right here. Okay, so this is your short wire. Oop, hang on. That's down like that. Then you come over here and get your short wire. Same deal, go back over here. Put one end down on this side. Make sure you push down. And then another one up to your distributor. Make sure you push down. And then you move on to the next one of your distributor. So I'd say probably this one here. And then you want to follow this cord, this wire, all the way back. It goes down, down, and it goes to this one right here. So same thing as the first one, you're going to pull this one out. You're going to pull your spark plug out, swap your spark plug, and then find which wire matches this length. So now we're going to do this side of the motor. These ones are right here, right here, and back there. So these ones are a little bit harder to get to on this side. You have all this stuff in the way. But we shall figure it out, and I'll show you how to get it done. So for the clip, if you take your flathead screwdriver like this, and you just kind of wiggle it in here, it should pop up like so. And then you'll be able to get your wires out. Okay, so this next one's a little hard to see, but it is right here. Okay, this is behind this guy right here. It's right there. It's hard to get to. You might just be able to get your thing in there. I'm gonna see if I can get my tool down here. If I can, I will tell you guys how I did it. Otherwise, I might have to look it up. Okay, so this one, I'm just kind of reaching down underneath like this. And over the top like this. Pinching with 2 fingers. And pulling it off. Just like that. Now, getting your spark plug out. So I'm not even going to lie. We're on this second spark plug. Still right down there, and you go in your wheel well. Right there is your spark plug. We got 2 really long extensions to the ratchet, and this is how we're getting the spark plug out. And you should be able to get this one too as well from the same angle, right in your wheel well. Probably had a misfire or something, because this spark plug is fucked. Look at it, even snapped as I pulled it out. Okay, so putting the wire back in here is complicated if you don't have small hands. You gotta like wiggle it down in here, find the edge. Oh, there you go. Gotta wiggle it down like so, down into the hole. And then I'd recommend reaching in from the wheel well to grab the cord at the bottom. So you're gonna stick your hand in here, like so. There you go. Okay, so this one, when you put the wire back on, you have to come into the wheel well like so and pot it back on. It's not an easy one to put. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Alright, like so. And then your next spark plug is right there. You're gonna have to get it from the same spot in your wheel well. So you can just pull that wire off. Hang on, let me get a better position. Pull this wire off. Like so. You should see the spark plug then in there. And then you back the spark plug out, swap it out, and then we'll change the wire. Okay, so everything has changed. Now, boom, no problem. Starts right up. Actually, kind of sounds better than before I did that. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. Okay, so that took me about 40 minutes to do once I figured out where the little hole in the the driver's side wheel well was to get to those two spark plugs. But that is it, guys. That's how easy it is, how simple it is just to do something like that. The spark plugs and wires on a 93 S10. Hopefully this was helpful to somebody. Like I said in one of the previous videos, hopefully you guys got one of these gems. These gems. This thing is ridiculous. I like this little truck. We're going to do some fun stuff. Maybe we'll put a lift kit on it or something in the near future. But, like always, social media down below for you guys to go check out. And, like always, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Good vibes, good cruising.